Ever heard of people losing their crypto forever? Yeah, it happens way more than you think. The crazy part? It's usually because they didn't pick the right wallet. So today, we're breaking down the top 3 crypto cold wallets: Ledger, Tangam, and Iron Wallet. Which one is right for you? And how can you avoid losing your precious Bitcoin due to a simple mistake? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which wallet suits your needs best. Why choosing the right wallet matters. Crypto goes up, crypto goes down. But one thing never changes. Security is everything. The biggest nightmare for any crypto investor isn't just a market crash, it's losing access to their own funds. And trust me, it happens more than you think. People forget passwords, lose seed phrases, or even get hacked. Imagine waking up one day and realizing your entire crypto portfolio is gone just because you picked the wrong storage method. Scary, right? That's why choosing the right cold wallet, a device that stores your crypto offline, is the most important decision you'll make as a crypto holder. Today, we're diving into the top 3 cold wallets that can keep your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets safe. We'll talk about the pros, the cons, and which one fits your style. Let's go! The 3 best crypto cold wallets. There are dozens of options out there, but after testing and researching, these are the 3 that stand out. Ledger, the Fort Knox of crypto wallets. Tangam, the simplest tap-and-go solution. Iron Wallet, the perfect balance of security and convenience. Each of these wallets has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's break them down one by one. 1. Ledger, the ultimate security beast. Think of Ledger as the Swiss bank of crypto wallets. It's ultra-secure, packed with features, and supports over 5,000 coins. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, or even diving into DeFi, Ledger has you covered. How it works. Ledger is a small USB device that connects to your phone or computer via USB or Bluetooth. Your private keys stay offline, making it nearly impossible to hack. Pros: maximum security. Your funds are safe even if your computer is compromised. Supports all major cryptos, from Bitcoin to obscure altcoins. Ledger can store them. DeFi and NFT integration. Perfect for advanced users. Cons: complicated setup. If you're a total beginner, you might need a guide. Requires connection. Unlike other wallets, Ledger needs to be plugged in or connected via Bluetooth to make transactions. Who is it for? If you're serious about security and don't mind a bit of a learning curve, Ledger is for you. It's perfect for long-term holders and advanced users who need maximum protection. 2. Tangam, the most convenient crypto wallet ever. Now, if Ledger is like a high-tech vault, Tangam is more like a magic key card for your crypto. It's literally a credit card-sized wallet that you just tap with your phone to access your funds. No cables, no Bluetooth, just tap and go. How it works: your private key is stored inside the card itself, and you manage everything through a mobile app. No passwords, no recovery phrases, just the card. Pros: super simple. Just tap your card to your phone and you're good to go. No tech headaches. No cables, no firmware updates, no complicated setup. Instant transactions. Faster than traditional hardware wallets. Cons: lose the card, lose your crypto. No backup means if you lose the card, it's game over. Limited functionality. No support for DeFi, staking, or advanced crypto features. Who is it for? If you just want a no-fuss, super simple way to store your crypto securely, Tangam is perfect. Just don't lose the card because there's no way to recover your funds if you do. 3. Iron Wallet, the best of both worlds. Iron Wallet is a hybrid solution. It gives you the security of cold storage with the convenience of a mobile app. You get to NFC-enabled backup cards for just $11, which is a game changer for people worried about losing their keys. How it works: Iron Wallet is a free mobile app that pairs with your NFC backup cards. If you lose your phone, no worries, just restore access using your card. Pros: free app. Unlike Ledger, you don't need to buy an expensive device. Backup cards: if you lose one, just use another to restore access. Supports 10,000 plus tokens, works with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. Cons: needs an NFC card for full backup. While the app is free, you'll need to spend $11 for a proper backup solution. Not as battle-tested as Ledger. It's a newer solution, so it doesn't have the same long-standing reputation. Who is it for? If you want a balanced mix of security, affordability, and convenience, Iron Wallet is the best choice. It's more secure than Tangam, easier than Ledger, and gives you multiple backup options so you never lose access to your funds. Which one should you choose? Alright, let's break it down one last time. Want maximum security? Go with Ledger. It's ultra secure but takes time to set up. Need the easiest option? Tangam is your best bet. Just tap and go, but don't lose the card. Looking for the best balance? Iron Wallet gives you convenience and security at an affordable price. So, which one fits your needs? Drop a comment below and let me know which wallet you're using or if you're thinking about switching. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Cortex, and turn on notifications. We've got more deep dives, reviews, and crypto security tips coming your way. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.